Hey guys, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this video, we will understand about various options those are available inside post option. So if you see in your WordPress dashboard, there is a section called post, and in that there are 4 options that we will explore in this video. In my previous video, we understood how to create a separate page in order to display all the posts that we will create. Now, here we will see how to add a new post, how to publish it, how to add categories, how to add tags, and everything which is important related to setting up your blog on your website. So we have already created this page which says blog, and all the blogs will be displayed here. So before actually creating a blog, we need to understand 2 options, that is category and tags. So please understand what is category. So category is an option which enables you to separate all the blogs related to a particular topic at one place. So let's say you have 100 blogs on various topics. Now, if a user comes to your website and wants to read about a specific category or specific topic, let's say sports. Now, if there are no such categories like sports, maybe politics, entertainment, film, drama, then in that case, he or she will not be able to find all the blogs related to sports category. So to make it easier for the user and for your users as well, we create categories, different categories. So let's see how the categories option looks like. So we click on categories, and now here by default you will get only one category, that is called as uncategorized. You can't delete it because this is the by default category. Yes, you can rename it. So I will rename it. So I will click on edit and I'll just rename it for, let's say, sports. So I'll just rename it as sports. Now there is a first option which says category name. The second option is slug. Slug means what will be the URL, what will be the the text in the URL bar. So if I say the category, so for this sports category, the URL should be the WP Learner /blog/ sports, of course, or maybe the WP Learner / category name. So if the category name I want to display, then I need to provide the slug same as the category name to make it easier. And then there is an option called parent category. Guys, there is a concept in WordPress which says parent category and subcategory or a child category. What parent category is? So for example, you have blogs or you have articles on sports, right? So sports will be your main category, parent category, or say broad category. Under sports, you can have multiple subcategories like cricket, basketball, volleyball, football, right? Any other soccer, or maybe multiple games. So sports is a broader category, parent category you can say, and inside that parent category, you can create multiple subcategories. So this will be a very easy to use navigation from user's point of view, that if anybody wants to read only about cricket inside the sports category, then he or she can also visit the cricket as a subcategory. But as of now, I will create sports as a parent category. So here I will choose parent category as none. It means this itself a parent category, and here you can provide a description about this category. So let's say I am providing a description here. You will find, so I'm just providing for understanding, here you will find all sports related content, for example, right? So this is a description of this category, and now I can update it. So once I updated it, now if I go to categories again, here it will show as sports. Now that uncategorized category is renamed into sports. Here the name of the category, here the description of the category, here is the slug, and here is the count. Count means how many number of posts are there inside this category. So by default, there is a post which comes when you install WordPress or you install any template. So that's why it is showing count as 1. If I delete that, for example, if I go to all posts, and if I delete that from here, let's say move to trash, and if I come back again, to categories, now the count will be 0 like this, because now there are no posts under this category, correct? Similar way, you can add new category as well. You need to provide name, slug, parent category as, let's say if you want to make sports. So for example, I want to add a category called cricket. So now here we are understanding how to add a subcategory. So let's say I want to add a new category called cricket, right? Cricket as a subcategory. Slug will be cricket. If you leave the slug as it is or blank, automatically the same category name will be taken. Let's try it out. Now parent category will be sports. So sports will be the parent category of cricket, or vice versa, cricket will be the subcategory of sports. Here the description, cricket, and it is not compulsory that you give description also. Cricket news at one place. It is not compulsory that you give description, but just for understanding, add new category. And now here the subcategory is being added. You will notice an immediate difference. Before any parent category, there is no symbol. Like sports, there is no symbol before S, but before every subcategory, there is a hyphen or dash in order to represent that this is a subcategory, right? So I can clearly see that cricket is a subcategory of what? You can say the cricket is a subcategory of sports. How can I find it? I can just edit it and I can find that it is a subcategory of sports. So now there are two categories. One is the parent category, second is the subcategory. And now both of the categories have 0 count because there are no posts. But that's how you can actually create subcategories. And there is a one catch also. If you want any, subcategory of a subcategory, it means like sports is a parent, this is a sub, and even if you want to create a category that will be a subcategory of cricket, then how will you do that? So let's say I want to add a category of cricket, men's cricket, for example. I'll say men's cricket. Now this will be a subcategory of cricket. Now I'll choose as cricket. Parent category will be cricket, and I'll add the category. So now you can see the category has been added as subcategory, and it represents by this hyphen. There are two hyphen symbols. On parent category, there is no symbol. On subcategory, first subcategory, there is a single hyphen. On subcategory, there are two hyphens, right? So it shows that it is a subcategory of any, another category. So that's how you can create parent category, subcategory, and subcategory. So that was about how to create categories and what is the role of category in your WordPress website, especially in order to organize all the content inside your blog